exercise. You're going to start by holding a kettlebell handle in both hands, nice and upright. And then from here, you want to make sure that your feet are about shoulder width apart. They can go a little bit wider if you need them to be wider so that you can be a bit more stable, and you'll see why now. And then what we're going to do is just unlock those knees and the hips. So let the knees and hips just soften so that the kettlebell hangs a little bit in front of you. Then what you're going to do here is this. We're going to swing the kettlebell just a little bit in the opposite direction to the side that we're going to move to, because we're going to rotate and then go side to side, because what we want to do is create a little bit of momentum so we can get the kettlebell up to shoulder height, and then from there the momentum moves the kettlebell. All you got to do is control it. So it shouldn't be a lot of effort for your arms or anything to that effect. So this is what it looks like. You just pendulum side to side. Make sure those feet are going with you. Just to shoulder height.